Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can connect CJ dropshipping with your Shopify store. So the process is very simple, but in my opinion and after my experiments, I have come to a conclusion that you should do the installation from the from the CJ dropshipping official website, because if you install the app first and then you create the account later on, it will create issues. I have done it multiple times and I have faced the issue. So I have the method that works for me is that I create the account on the CJ dropshipping website first, and then it will automatically install the website for me. This is the best method. So to start, you have to go to CJ dropshipping app, and to verify if you are going to the exact app, you can open one of my YouTube videos and you can just click on my #1 recommended dropshipping app, and then it will take you to this page, and then you have to go down so that you go to the exact website. Okay, just go down and click on website here. Under the developer, you have to click on website. This is just a security from your side so that you don't go to any unofficial site. Okay, so CJdropshipping.com. So we have come to the website now, and you have to create an account for it. The account creation is really simple. I don't want I just saved my time for this video by creating the account by using one of my Google details, and it just asked me to verify my details like the normal accounts. So as you can see, I have already created the account, and once you created the account, it will sign in, and it will show you use CJ dropshipping ID and dashboard, something like this. So you haven't connected your Shopify store to CJ dropshipping yet. So just go down and click on connect my store. Okay, and select the e-commerce platform. It is Shopify. Okay, so this is the most reliable method that I'm showing. Create an account on CJ dropshipping first, and then you have to connect your store from here, and then obviously it will be done, no issue at all. Otherwise, if you install the app first, it creates some issues. In my case, it has created some issues. So you have to click on authorize, and once you click on authorize, it will take you to the app page again, and then you have to install the app from here. So I'll click on install again, and it will do the authorization now. So as you can see, it has taken us to the Shopify admin panel to install the app. So the best thing is we have already created the account, and now the authorization will be very easy. So it will automatically install the app for you as well. So I'll click on install, and I will wait for some seconds. So it's time to authorize the account. Just check this box and then click on authorize. And if you see the welcome message, it means that the authorization is done. So authorization success. CJ will help you to make dropshipping business much easier. So we have successfully connected our Shopify store to CJ dropshipping. Just to verify again, if you go down to like authorization and click on Shopify again, it shows that you have connected one Shopify store to CJ dropshipping. Just as a verification purposes, just to double check. So let's see. As you can see, our store, this is our store. So our store is successfully connected and it is activated. CJ inventory only. So email permission, auto synchronize, everything is done. So in the next videos, I will show you how you can import products from CJ dropshipping to your Shopify store, how you can import the reviews from CJ dropshipping to your Shopify store, and some other CJ related tutorials as well. But in my opinion, this is one of the best dropshipping apps that I personally recommend to my clients. And if you feel any issue, please let me know. Thank you very much.